Welcome back YouTube. Today we are going to talk about software and hardware specification. I found an app called Inware. You can go and download it for free from the Play Store. It does have also initial Android 13 support, and this tool really blew my mind, guys. Let me show you why. Something else blew my mind, that you watching this video are not subscribed, so please subscribe for the channel, guys. If you like content like this, let's buckle up and start. So first, this is the interface, and it looks very nerdy, but that's not so important besides the fact that I do really like it. So we have system, we have device, we have hardware, memory, camera, network, connectivity, battery, and media DRM. Pretty much, guys, everything that you have in your phone in terms of a software specification or a hardware one. Let's review them one by one, and let me tell you why Inware is such a good app. The first menu is system. It will give you your Android version and also the initial one released with the phone. Information on the minimum SDK performance class, also very important. The Google Play system update, language security patch, build number, build ID, and even some more information like what is your hardware, what is your board, the kernel version, the baseband, and more and more. The version of the bootloader, the uptime, if USB debugging is on and off, the SE Linux status, and also some extra information. See here, it's really amazing. Treble project supported, seamless update not supported, and root not detected. So really fantastic piece of information. And it gets even better. When I click on a device, I can get the basic. I know I'm using the Z Flip 4, it's Samsung, the model number, which is also something important in case you want to go and fetch some of the ROMs from some firmware or somewhere else. But that's not all. We have the display one, the built-in screen, the resolution. This is my main display. And how do I know this? Because the size is 6.71 inches, the aspect ratio, and also frame rate, density in PPI and density in DPI, also the portrait orientation, and if HDR is supported or not. Features: fingerprint authentication supported, face unlock, the Vulkan engine, file-based encryption also, and some more identifiers. All right, now let's click hardware, guys. This is really where it gets crazy. You can see the hardware, the system on a chip, and also what is supported, how many cores you have, and how many clusters do you have. Also the usage and individual cluster information. Cluster number 1 running on minimal 300 MHz of frequency. Also the governor is used. Then we have cluster number 2, cluster number 3, and CPU usage right now. Okay, I can now see how my core 1 is behaving, my core 2, and etc. All my 8 cores. But also GPU information. Of course, the vendor is the Qualcomm. You can now see this is the individual GPU in my phone, the Adreno 730. Also the frequency, the minimum and the maximum, and also the governor used on your GPU. Simply amazing. Next section is memory, device memory, how much is the total, how much is the available, what is the used one, then also the internal storage, okay, what is the total one, what is available, and what is used. And now, guys, camera, for those of you who are interested into camera and camera to API. Now, front camera 10 megapixel, the aperture is listed, and also the information if the phone supports optical image stabilization or electronic image stabilization. In this case, on the front camera, of course, no OIS, only AIS, and flashlight not detected. Front camera, guys, one is 7 megapixel one, also available apertures, OIS not supported, only EIS, and the main back camera, guys, 12 megapixel sensor with optical image stabilization supported, and also the available aperture, in this case f1.8, and also of course information on the other back camera, because here we have 2 on the flip. So this is really information coming from your phone. Clicking on the network will give you the same detailed information on the network, like what is your download speed and upload speed if you're using it right now, the SID, the link speed, you're connected to the router, the IP addresses. Connectivity information is also interesting. It will give you more information on your Bluetooth, like, okay, that's my name, that's the status. Also supporting Bluetooth low energy or not, and all your devices that are connected to the phone. And then we have, of course, information on the battery, gives you a health indication, if you're charging or not, the level, the source, the capacity, and etc. And there is one more menu, guys, media DRM. This is very important for users of Netflix and etc. Wideband CDM. You can see the security level here, like L3, the ClearCam CDM. If you want to access the settings, guys, you can click on the call here, general settings. You can block the screen capture, right? So yeah, not able to do screenshots. You can hide third-party overlays. You're also able to save things on the clipboard and use then Celsius or Fahrenheit or Kelvin for the temperature units. Appearance, you can just go dark mode like this or on. So pretty much everything, guys. They really thought of so many things. Also material UI supported, and there are some experimental features like detect the battery capacity, which I'm using, and guys, even modules, right? In this case, I don't have modules, guys. The Inware tool seems to be very, very powerful, and if you want to find out all the details about your phone, then don't hesitate, go to the Play Store, guys. The link is going to be inside the video description. Download it and enjoy. And if you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to hit the like button, guys, and subscribe for the channel. With that said, VST over and bye.